tracks, a quick look at the market, and the markets are bleeding now as Nifty and Sensex both are on the decline. What's hurting the markets? Let me go over to my colleague Sakshi Bajaj. Sakshi, as the Nifty and the Sensex declined significantly, what are the factors that are really hurting the markets?
That's right. A weak session of trade, both the Nifty and the Sensex witnessed significant declines. So what's really hurting the market mood? Well, of course, the fact that, the projection for GDP data, India's FY25 GDP data has come in at 6.4%, which essentially means that the projection is at a 4-year low. That really experts believe is the first, key indicator that is hurting the market sentiment. Of course, it's sustained FI selling that they have seen over the past few days and weeks at large. They also feel that is now beginning to worry the markets. So that's another key reason. Remember, we are hitting the Q3 earnings season as far as companies are concerned, and projections for that haven't been bright. So that's the third factor at large. So all of these factors as far as domestic factors are concerned. Now, of course, looking at global cues. Global cues, as far as global cues are concerned, experts believe there are various factors there as well. But the really key ones being the strong US economic data that came out last night is now making investors worried about the pace at which Fed rate cuts will come in, and that really is another key factor. Of course, Donald Trump's US President-elect's proposed policies at the moment are also adding to that uncertainty as far as investors and analysts are concerned.